called stellar because we had our eave come down during one of the really bad ice storms in February, and so it brought the whole gutter down. We called multiple companies, but stellar was honestly the only one that actually got back to us. Stellar came out and we had our salesperson, Mike. He was great. He went up on the roof and took pictures. He went into our attic and looked for water damage. He did a whole comprehensive, complete look at the house. The way that Mike presented everything, there was no questions, and he was here for a couple hours, so it wasn't just a quick thing. It was very detailed. He went over insulation, different types of gutters, different roof colors. There was everything you could imagine. We had the blown-in insulation because the roof was already going to be open, so that just made the most sense. And it's very drafty in the attic to begin with. And we needed the new gutters because they came down and they just weren't effective, essentially. So the gutters were really important just so this doesn't happen again. They came out and they were here, like you said, at about 7:30, and they didn't need anything from us. They just got right to work. They were constantly raking up the debris all day. Everything was in the dumpster. Could not even tell that they had been here. There was no trash. So I had a lot of ceramics in the garden. They had also moved for me, so they didn't get crushed. So that was really important because my mom made those for me. You can't really replace those. So nothing was broken. It was great. I really like the red. My husband let me make that choice. It matches my kitchen as well. All my appliances are red. But now that the roof is done, we can repaint the front door and we can redo the shutters as well and get just the whole house cohesive and matching. And I like the look of the red. It looks nicer. The red in general just makes me happy, and it doesn't look like it's falling apart anymore. All around makes me feel better.